But I did want to say this about once you mentioned Frederick Douglass. You know, Dane Calloway, he kept wanting to debate with not Umar. Was it Umar?
No, he tried to debate with a few other people. He tried to debate with
No, it was Umar, because Umar keeps saying he related to Frederick Douglass.
Okay,
And
I think I have heard Umar.
They were supposed to debate, and then one day Dane Calloway, I don't know if I seen it on a live a long time ago. He was like, man, I wish he would have done, because he knew he was going to tear him up. He was like, yo, we're not going to debate ever, but this was going to be like my fatality. I was going to prove to him that if you are truly related to Frederick Douglass is indigenous.
Well, hold on.
So therefore, now I'm destroying your whole Pan-African shit.
We don't have evidence of that.
That was like his final blow, and I was like, oh yeah, he would have tore your ass up.
I will not be debating Dane Calloway.
I'll give you another one. The Pretendians, right? Y'all familiar with the Pretendians? Africans who want to be Indian.
Yeah, the ones that claim that they got Native American.
No, they do have it. I got Cherokee in me.
I'm.
Whoa. I'm not going to entertain you indigenous Negroes today.
That's just a nigga run his mouth.
Dane Calloway claims he is an American Indian. Evidence, not publicly substantiated. To date, Dane Calloway has not produced publicly verifiable documentation showing enrollment in a federally recognized or state-recognized tribe, a documented paper trail connecting him to a historical Native community, a genealogy accepted by a tribal nation, academic research establishing his ancestry. Has he produced a documented genealogy that connects him to an identifiable Native community? The answer appears to be no. 2. Dane Calloway argues Frederick Douglass was an American Indian rather than an African American. This claim is not supported by mainstream historical evidence. Frederick Douglass himself consistently identified his mother Harriet Bailey as a black enslaved woman, his father as a white man, likely his enslaver, himself as a member of the oppressed black population in America. Throughout his speeches and writings, Douglass repeatedly referred to himself as a Negro and spoke specifically about the condition of African-descended Americans under slavery. His famous 1854 address is literally titled, "The Claims of the Negro Ethnologically Considered." There is one nuance. Some historians have discussed the possibility that Douglass may have had some Native ancestry through his maternal family. For example, biographer Dixon Preston reportedly explored the possibility Douglass allegedly mentioned descent from a Potomac Indian in later conversations. But even scholars discussing this emphasize that it remains speculative, not proven.
We don't have evidence of that.
That is very different from saying Frederick Douglass was actually an American Indian. There is no documentary consensus supporting that conclusion.
We don't have evidence of that.
3. Umar Johnson says he is related to Frederick Douglass. This is a separate issue. Umar Johnson has publicly claimed some form of kinship with Frederick Douglass. However, professional Douglass historians, members of the Douglass family, and researchers who specialize in the Bailey-Douglass genealogy have challenged those claims and stated that they have not found documentary evidence confirming the relationship.
We don't have evidence of that.
That does not automatically prove Umar is lying. It simply means, open quote, the claimed family connection has not been independently verified using accepted genealogical evidence.
Well, hold on.
Dane Calloway has proven tribal ancestry. No, not supported publicly. Dane Calloway has publicly documented a tribal genealogy. No.
That's just a nigga run his mouth.
Frederick Douglass was primarily an American Indian. No.
No, you ain't. You just told me.
Frederick Douglass was primarily an American Indian. Not supported by historical evidence. Frederick Douglass may have had some Native ancestry, possible but unproven.
No, I'm not understand what you're saying.
Frederick Douglass identified himself as African descended. Yes, strongly supported by his writings.
You ever read his book?
Umar Johnson's Douglass relationship has been independently verified.
What?
No. Public evidence has not established it. The strongest historical position is also the least dramatic, which tends to disappoint the internet.
Yeah, but those are weirdos.
Based on the available documentary record, there is no verified evidence that Frederick Douglass was really an Indian.
We don't have evidence of that. Nothing.
There is no publicly verified genealogical evidence establishing Dane Calloway as belonging to a native tribe.
Nothing. We don't have evidence of that.
There is no independently verified genealogical evidence confirming Umar Johnson's claimed relationship to Frederick Douglass.
We don't have evidence of that.
All three questions ultimately come back to the same standard.
Well, hold on. We don't have evidence of that.
Genealogical documentation, contemporary records, and primary sources carry more weight than modern assertions.
Like I said, no man is perfect. We have flaws, and it's understandable. It is what it is, man. You know what I mean?
Well, hold on. We don't have evidence of that. Nothing.